I'm going to be showing y'all my go-to routine for my hair. I think every girl should have a go-to routine, a signature look, and this is becoming mine, which I enjoy because of its easiness to do. So I have washed my hair, which I done in another video of my wash routine, which is super easy because I'm on a journey of loving to take care of my hair myself. So I will link that below or somewhere up here. This is so I'm saying so and it's so slick, but this is so good. And my prep for my hair are these products to make it easier for me. Then you will part that hair from ear to ear using a rat tail comb, and I love using a rat tail comb because it makes it easier to part and get a straight part on the first time. That way when you go in the second round, you're honestly just cleaning it up. And then I use a ponytail holder to hold the back section and keep it separate. And I got this ponytail holder from Walmart, jumbo size, the Goody brand. And you can actually use this same ponytail holder to put your hair in a puff as well. After I've separated the back end with the ponytail holder, I'm going in just to clean up the part. And I did not use any edge control or the So Slick to do this because my prep has already made this where my hair is more manageable and has a lot of slip. Was trying my best for you just to make sure this record and have a mirror in my hand to make sure the part was straight. This was so hard, but I did it just for you, okay? So don't be coming at me at the comments. And now you're just going to put the front end into a ponytail just to hold the hair in place. Using the famous viral brush that apparently detangles all hair types. Using this detangler brush to just detangle the back of my hair, and then I'm just putting it in a ponytail, and that's how I'm gonna leave it. Choosing the right spot for my drawstring ponytail to go and making sure everything is smooth. And once again, notice that I am not using edge control or shiny jam or anything like that, just to hold the hair in place. And I think that's just one of the benefits of using a natural hair ponytail. You don't have to manipulate your hair so much to mimic the drawstring ponytails hair texture because it already is that. Put your hair down the middle in the front using a rat tail comb. And you know what, just to add a little insert, my family used to call me, they still do, beady bead, because my hair is super thick and super kinky. I don't even want to say nappy because it has such a negative connotation to it, and I'm just like, okay, if I have it's something, well, whoever child come out my hair, they probably will be blessed with their mama's texture or whatever. And so I'm like, I'm not gonna be saying the hair nappy. Your hair is kinky, so you gotta give it a little bit of extra love instead of saying, oh, mama dreaded doing my hair. Found this in the drawer. But my mama dreaded doing my hair, and she definitely was vocal about it. Be cautious of how you talk about your children's hair with them. Thank you for listening to Xandria's Natural Hair Thoughts. Now, I am just combing out the hair now towards my face of where the braid is going to be. And once again, I want to keep reiterating that I'm not using any shiny jam edge control to smooth out my hair. I am keeping it in its natural, stretched out form. Now I am going to braid my hair, taking a little bit of the center free piece to braid a little bit. Now, if you are not a braider, which I know some people are saying they have a braiding impairment, you can definitely do this style with a rubber band. And if you want me to show you how, I can definitely do that, and I will insert a picture just to show you all that it is possible. Then you're going to do the same thing to the other side. And I don't know if you are like me, but I never make a cute face when I do my hair. Be an ugly face when I'm doing my hair. Now, this is where I take a little bit of a little triangular part from the back end to attach my braids that are on the side together. That way I don't have to use a bobby pin to keep the hair in place, since it's already attached to a hair that would be in the back ponytail anyway. I can always just get up, retighten the ponytail, and not have to worry about a bobby pin or my hair, my real hair sticking out, because it is not long enough to go into the ponytail. So I just braid it into a piece of hair taken from the back part of my hair. I do this for both sides. I'm just putting like a little dab, not too much, on my, I don't even know what you would call it, but my edges that are out. And just smoothing it back with a comb. After you do this, it's important that you lay it down with a scarf so that the edges can lay flat and so that the style sets smooth and flawlessly. And then y'all finna be done in 2 seconds. Watch. So I'm back. So now I'm gonna do this for y'all. Then my little handy dandy ponytail. And people be thinking it's my real hair. And I've been like, until I get a sponsorship, I'm not. I don't know if I want to tell, because it is it's not our own people, or else I would. But this is the ponytail. And then I just put it on. I want y'all to see I put it. Hopefully this looks right. It has a drawstring. Well, it's a drawstring ponytail. So this is my go-to hairstyle. 2 braids that's easy, still look presentable. I wear to work. And yeah, that's my, I guess, do 360. That's my go-to hairstyle. So hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if I should share the link for this. If a lot of y'all be like, give the details, then I will. Do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will.